Welcome to Digital Nuclei. Today we will create a website for free in less than just 5 minutes. So let's get started. First open Canva. Click on the menu website. You can either choose a blank or select a niche. It is possible with both free and paid versions. It will open a blank editor only with templates according to the niche available in the panel. Let's select the business site here. Let's select a suitable template. You can edit it like a normal Canva poster or image here with options like text editing, elements including audio, video, graphics, etc. and brand management. Let's put some frames here with a video and some Digital Nuclei logo. You can browse here to see some more cool stuff. You can select if you want navigation or without navigation. You can get a Canva domain or use an existing domain you have. Adding some description using ChatGPT. And boom, your website is ready. It is responsive, so a mobile version is also available. This is how it is turned out in less than 3 minutes. After publishing the website also, you can edit and update it. Let's add some creepy stuff to freak you out. Let's preview the changes made. And there you go, a desktop version and a mobile version preview is available here. Your website is live now. Now you can screw your own happiness by unpublishing it to remove it from the public view. Let's add some navigation in a website using Canva. Just right click on the menu items and add the target links, which can be both internal and external links. You can use Canva website for quick single page applications or multi-page applications which are not very complex. That's all for today. If you like the video, please subscribe and drop a like. If you have any doubts or queries, do reach out to us.